Hey friends, in this video I will share with you how to see recently watched videos on YouTube. I will share with you how you can find the videos you watched before. Because I know if you find the list of recently videos on YouTube, you can watch your favorite content. Where you have been paused, sometimes you are busy in your work, you left and want to see the video where you have left. So if you find the history, you can easily go to your favorite content. What do you have to do? You have to go here in settings. Here in settings, you have to go here in your data in YouTube. When you will click there, you have to scroll down here. You will find here YouTube watch history. You have to click here. When you will click here, you have to scroll down and you will find manage history. You have to click here. After clicking here, you have to see, you can see here, you saving your YouTube watch history and auto delete. You have two options. If you want to delete your history, you can remove. If you want to see your history, you can watch. After what you have to do, you have to log in your channel in YouTube and go to history. You can see I can open my channel and here you see history. Here you see view all. You have to click view all. When you will click view all, you will see this all history you watched before. So in this way you can watch your history. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, our video, you should like video, comment and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.